حبك للشعب ودادا ليكن حبك للأرض بداد.
My channel that begins now. Today I'm going to be continuing our shop project, and oh wait, we've only made this much. Okay, but anyways, we're going to be creating another desk basically, and it's going to be another furniture. So add mesh cube. Where is it? G Y, boom, Shift D Y. This one S Y. You want to make it bigger. S Z, like that. Ooh, S X. Okay, maybe not that big. S Z S X. E Z. S Y S Z S Y. Okay. Then what we can do is go to edit mode. No, click off. Then go to press X. Then Control R. Make a loop cut. Make one here and make one here. Control R. Make one here. Control R, put another one here, and last of least but not the least, make one there. Then we can make a line here, a line here, a line here. No, Control Z, Control R, a line here, and one last line here. Control R. There. Yes, and then what we can do is, oh, forgot, one line up here, one line down here, and then we can select square, select all of these four, press transparency mode, press number pad 1, press E, and then move it backwards, and yeah, take a little bit of space. Yep, and we made some cupboards. Now this middle part, we will do something about that, but that's later. So then, now with this cube, we can do GZ, and then we can GY. We gotta reference this one because it's about the same size as this. So we gotta move it here, SZ. SZ, GZ, GZ, SZ, GZ, SZ, GZ, SY, GY, SY, GY. Then we can do, oh, it's really slim. Oh my god. SX. Yeah, that's good. Then we can do GY right here. And then we can, this one we can edit mode, Control R. I want to do the same thing. Go like this. Like this, and finally like that. And we want to make one last loop cut here, and then we want to add a loop cut right here, and a loop cut right here, and another loop cut right here, and another loop cut right here. Then what we can do is go out to object, select this, go to edit mode, add cube. Where is it? GUI, yeah. And then X, go to the X mode, select everything on the cube using face select, go here, S, select it down, G, move it here, S, X, G, wait, Control Z, move it here, G, move on right here, Shift D, X, move on right here. Shift D X, move on right here. And then we can, what we can do, Control R, out there, Control R, out there, Control R, there, Alt, Shift Alt, no, okay. Just select all the faces on here. S, make this go down. S, move it down. S, move it down. Then what we can do is, yeah, that's all we can, and then move on to here, edit mode. Select these four, go here, go to the X-ray, E, and move them to the same area, location. Get out of transition mode, that mode, and then what we can do is make a loop cut and make it go behind. Control R, make one in the loop cut there, and then Control R, make a loop cut right there, and Control R, make another loop cut there. Yep, and that's all for today's video. So subscribe, like, and hit that bell, and I'll see you in the next one.